Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. The coefficient of restitution for a perfectly plastic impact between two bodies. Let bodies are A and B, then coefficient of restitution is equals to the ratio of velocities of separation, that is VB dash minus VA dash, divided by velocities of approach, VA minus VB. Okay, this is coefficient of restitution. For perfectly plastic impact, coefficient of restitution is equals to 0. That means VB dash is equals to VA dash. In that case, coefficient of restitution reduces to 0. Okay, the correct answer is option A, 0. For perfectly elastic, coefficient of restitution is equals to 1. Remember that for perfectly elastic impact, E is equals to 1, that is coefficient of restitution is equals to 1. In that case, velocities difference between velocities of separation is equals to difference between velocities of approach. So these two are equal in the case of perfectly elastic impact. Remember these 2 points, very important.